Hello, sports fans. Welcome for joining me today. Before I start, I just wanted to thank all the well wishes and the kind words from people coming in. My inbox fills up pretty quick these days, but just wanted to thank a few of you guys out there for the kind words, and hopefully your trades are going really well and you're making lots of money. Okay, I wanted to go through a few things, and I guess the first one would be the recent news overnight. You've got the two major bond insurers. You've got AMBAC and MBIA over in America. They're saying, look, we've got this brand new plan. We should split up the company, and we've got all these investors coming in to save us. Well, no, sorry, it's not going to happen. It can't happen. You've got these companies that are 560 something $billion in debt. They're getting an influx of a couple of billion or whatever it is. It's in serious, serious trouble, and they can't be saved. It's impossible. It's impossible. That's how serious this problem really is, people. But it's good in a way. It's just reinforcing what I've been saying all along: is the lies, the manipulation, the deceit. They're telling investors that it's okay, and guaranteeing them that the market will go up when it won't. And there are the negatives, but there are also the positives. At the moment, another little big bit of a boom in the commodities industry. It's very good, and I think it's probably even going to go higher. Commodities meaning, cocoa, sugar, wheat, grain, all that sort of thing. When inflation kicks in, prices of food does what? Goes up. If you're invested in commodities in the next 12 to 24 months, you're almost certain to make money. The US, the UK, parts of Europe, they're all lying about it, about inflation. It's going to get worse. It's going to get a lot worse. The price of beer, food, whatever. When you go to the supermarket and you buy food, you've probably already noticed the price of food going up. Well, it's going to get worse. And the scary thing is, it hasn't even worked itself into the system. That is going to be absolutely catastrophic. And the housing. I mean, don't get me started. Property and the subprime, all that sort of thing. It's gone through a huge big bubble. What normally happens on market, if you go back in history, what happens at the end of every bubble? You get a crash. That's right, of course. And the next 12 to 24 months on market, we're going to be in this period, of course. We now had 5 lower lows on the Dow. Technically, I mean, that's the start of a bear market, if I saw it. Whenever you see these huge big bubbles on the market, or huge big booming periods, people say, "Oh, but it's different now. It's okay. We won't come tumbling and crashing down." Sorry to say, it's about to happen. It's already started. Also, too, like I keep saying, you should be still shorting banks, like Citibank, Fannie Mae, Bank of America, anything like that. If you're still shorting the banks, short more. It's going to get very serious. As you see the price of those banks come tumbling down, you know they're in a lot of trouble. Look, if you took my advice, back a month or two back, you would probably still on your short positions be up sort of 10-15% already. Probably even more, depending on what companies that you're shorting out there. If you're smart about it, do a little bit of research and investigation, you'll be able to make a lot of money. It's as simple as that. I just think it's funny. You get on any of the websites, you listen to the news at night, you'll see the analysts saying, "Look, we've got a chance of being in a recession. Oh, we're 50% chance of being in a recession." Too late. We're already in a recession, people, and the worst is yet to come. Like I keep saying, recession's probably going to lead into a depression in the coming 12 or so months, and it's going to be very, very bad and very significant. I mean, just have a look at housing at the moment. Home sales are down. Housing is in worse than a recession right now. Automobiles, the same. Retail sales, they're right down. I want to know, where are all the sectors doing well to offset the recession? It's all lies, people. Basically, the Fed and some of the analysts out there are just feeding people lies, and it makes people like me sick. They're just pumping the economy and giving them a false sense of hope. Really, the U.S. dollar. What's that? What has the U.S. dollar been doing? It's going down, and it'll probably continue going down. more likely that it will probably even crash. Who knows? It's that serious. The US economy is collapsing before our eyes. The dollar's probably going to crash like it did back in the 1970s. It was serious back then. The Iranians, I think I read a piece of news that come out about a month or so ago. The Iranians, very smart business people, are no longer wanting or accepting US dollars in their business transactions. That's how serious this really is. There's a lot of stockbrokers, it's a classic watching CNBC, watching some of the things that come through there. Stockbrokers telling you the market's going to go back up. Don't worry, it's a perfect time to buy. Well, no. Okay, markets do go up, but they also come down. We've had a huge big bull run. And the market doesn't just keep going up for long periods of time. It needs time to relax. Like I said, the stockbrokers will keep telling the market goes up, but no. At some period of time, there's long periods that the market will come down. We are in that period now, people. Trust me. The US economy is collapsing before our very eyes, and it's going to take years and years to recover. It's happened before, and it's going to happen again. The economy is collapsing and crumbling. Okay, you should be logging oil. Go long gold. I can still see gold going a little bit higher. Some of the soft commodities will do really well. But otherwise, hopefully you've listened today and you've got something different out of today's little quick video I've got here for you. But in the meantime, I wish you all the best. I'll keep you posted on any developments. Hopefully you can go away and use this information for your own benefit, and hopefully make some money. Okay, it's me signing off. Thank you for listening. Enjoy your day. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.